Hi, I Navin Srivastav. Welcome everyone in YouTube channel of SBP Vidya Vihar. Today I am explaining you network internet and its type. Chapter 5 for class 9. Computer network. Computer network is collection of or set of computer link which link with each other to communicate or share file or folder. Again I am telling you, computer network means set of computer or collection of computer connect each other to share data, information, file, etc. Okay. Network types, you know very well network types: local area, metropolitan area, wide area. Okay. Network type: a network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as a printer, CD, pen drive, or data also. It allows electronic communication. The computer on a network may be linked through cables, routers, hub, switch, radio waves, satellites, infrared light, beam, etc. Local area network, you know very well. The range or capacity of local area network is about 1 to about to 500 meter. It means this type of network work under a campus or a building. Okay. Second one is wide area network. As a name suggests, wide means work throughout the world. Those type of network system which work throughout the world known as wide area network. The range of this network is unlimited. Okay. But if you want to share your data throughout the world, then you have need internet connection. Okay. Next one is WAN, wide area network, you know very well. LAN and metropolitan network area. Metropolitan means those type of network which easily work in metro city like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Bangalore, etc. It means in this metro city or in this district or town, some companies or organizations work under or work through metropolitan area network, because in a campus or in a multi-store building, more of the work performed in a multi-store building. So in this way we will be used metropolitan area network. Okay. Personal area network, you know very well. The smallest and most basic type of network, a PAN, is made up of wireless modem or computer or two phones, printer, tablet, etc. Okay. Local area, you know very well. And wireless local area network, simple wireless. It means phone to phone, or by using Wi-Fi devices you can also communicate with each other. Campus area network, larger than local area network but smaller than metropolitan area network. This type of network are typically seen in university larger than 12 kilometer, school district or a small business. Metropolitan area network, again I am telling you, this type of network are larger than local area network but smaller than wide area network. Okay, wide area you know very well. A storage area network, this is the new type of network. System area network, passive optical area network, enterprise private network, virtual private network. Okay, in your book here is what is the main difference between wired communication and wireless communication. Listen everyone, wired means broadband. Those network facility by we can used by broadband or wired facility known as wired communication. But in wireless, so simple example, Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi hotspot are the best example for wireless communication. Okay. Okay, next here I will explain you component of multimedia. Multimedia you know very well. Multi means one or more task. Media means modes of communication. It means how to communicate with one people or another people. How to communicate with your friend or relatives. In this way, we will be used multimedia devices like mobile phone, telephone, telegram, newspaper, magazine, YouTube, Facebook. Some social networking also help in multimedia. And through multimedia, we can also send or receive text, image, audio, video, animation, video clips, invitation card, greeting card, etc. Okay. Okay. Next I will discuss on multimedia and some important topic in your book. So first of all, everyone read your chapter carefully. If you have any doubt, mark on it. After lockdown I will explain you. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you.